Hi guys, so I'm back. My name's Bethany. If you're new, welcome. If you're coming back, thanks for coming. Thanks for showing some love, support. For the first 5 or 6 commenters from my previous video, I'll leave them here. Thank you so much for everybody who is supporting my channel and my community. I have been watching so many wonderful people I can't even express. I will leave their names in the description box. They're awesome. If you get a chance, check them out. I'm sure just one video will have you hooked. So this is Juvia's Place. If you're interested to see in what I got from Juvia's Place, stay tuned. So this is going to be a quick video because it's a small little package, but it's my first time with Juvia's Place. If you haven't seen my mini profusion haul, I'll just leave that link there. Check out the Allure video. There's a secret giveaway in there, guys. Check it out. And that ends July 4th. Okay, so let's see. So excited to try Juvia's Place. I've been looking at them like before this whole corona thing. When I went into Ulta, I used to see like their little setup there, and all the colors were just so bold, and I was just new to makeup and new to all of this, so I was like, whoa, I'm not going there, let me not. So now that I'm a little more comfortable, I decided to go with Juvia's Place. There are 2 palettes that I picked up, the Nomad and the Violets. So the Nomad palette has 9 shades. All the ingredients are listed on the back. Let's open this up. It is a cruelty-free product. That's what it says right here. Ooh. Nicely packaged. This yellow ombre into green effect here. And there we are. Look at those colors. I was really attracted to these yellows because I don't have many yellows, and this beautiful lady here. But I could see like a base color here, and you have some orange, this glitter shade. These are just very nice. A gray. Very nice. So I'm interested to try that. I'll have to do a video on this. And then we have the Violets. I love this because I've been looking for purple, and I heard a lot of people tell me that Juvia's Place has really good purples in their pigments. Also ColourPop, but I haven't bought any ColourPop recently because of the whole corona. They had some delays with their shipping, which is cool. I can always pick up ColourPop. I do love them. So here's this Violets. And this is a small little palette. Very pretty. Ooh. For all of you that love purple, like I love purple, this is going to be amazing. Now the only drawback is that they don't have names for the shades, but that's okay. I'll name them. Alright, so if you've tried Juvia's Place, let me know down in the comment section. If you've had these Nomad and Violets collection, also let me know. I will probably do 2 different videos on the look. I do have a purple look, but that's from the Tarte palette. And I'm interested to try the Juvia's Place and all their other stuff as well. So comment down below, guys. Let me know what you think, if I should get a certain palette, which one of these perform better, worse, etc. And don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share. And as always, stay safe.